This is the OmniShaver Hot Water Tongs, and it allows you to keep your fingers away from hot water when rinsing or soaking your OmniShaver. They're easy to use, push to install, and twist to remove. Soaking your Premium OmniShaver's metal shaving head in hot water for 15 to 30 seconds before shaving will transfer that stored heat to the hair, making it easier to cut. With the hot water tongs, you won't burn your fingers removing the OmniShaver from the water. Hot water from the faucet is the best way to rinse your OmniShaver's blades, and the tongs keep your fingers from being burnt. Or use the standing water in your sink. The tongs will keep your fingers out of hot water.